Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, like makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find in this channel. And my niche is drugstore. I love me affordable products. So yeah, if you are interested in such videos, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and family. Do share my videos. This will help me a lot. So in today's video, I'm going to share my Amazon beauty haul. So yeah, Amazon is delivering really slow, and we will talk about Amazon service in this video, like horrendous. The only thing is good that they refund me, but what about makeup product? Makeup product are delicate and they should be delivered in good conditions. So yeah, so I have some issues with them. I got my money back, but the point is every makeup product was shattered and completely broken. So every product I got from Amazon is broken. Some are slightly broken, but some are really broken, and I was so sad. So so there are a couple of brands which I tried for the first time and due to the sale. And guys, Sugar mini blushes and highlighters and everything was so discounted. And this is the first time I purchased Sugar Cosmetics and Dazzler. And there are some new brands that I have purchased, and I purchased My Glam and others, but the parcel are like so late. So I will shoot this in two part when I will get those parcels. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first product is this Beauty People mascara. Guys, this look like a ripoff of some Maybelline mascara. Am I correct or not? This kind of look like a Maybelline mascara, but this is 190 rupees and this is volumizing one. So I have currently opened three mascara, so I'm not going to open this one immediately, but I will eventually open it, maybe in a 2 months or so. So excited to try because it was 190 rupees. There were like three mascaras, and honestly I wanted to buy three, but mascaras will go bad fast, so I just bought one, not three. Okay, so now I'm going with random order. So first of all, look at the box. So this is the Dazzler compact box. Can you guys see? Completely smashed, completely smashed. And my heart is broken. I cannot even open this. I will maybe insert a you know a shot from when I will hold my camera like this, what we aerial shots or something. Is Does that make sense? But this is completely shattered. This is a contour, so I will swatch it on my hand. First of all, so as you can see, this is such a beautiful compact, but this came shattered. So I will try to repress this, then I will show you maybe in the future. Right now I will show you the swatch. This is a perfect contour for me. Even if you are slightly deeper than me, this will show up on you. So I will highly recommend. This one was 200 including shipping, I guess. So this is a great deal. They have a 80 rupees one, but you have to buy two. So if you want yourself or your friends or sister, maybe you can try that. But honestly, this one has such a pretty packaging. I would prefer this. That one has a flimsy packaging, so I would recommend you this one. Okay, I got this kit. So basically this now has my jewelry. This is by Sugar. So basically this has now my earrings and stuff. This box is so good, you guys. And this kit contains a highlighter and a blush. So I will show you. So these are their mini blushes and highlighter. So this is the shade Champagne Champion. Such a pretty highlighter. The moment I saw this, I was like, look at it. If you are fair to fair medium, this will look bomb. On me also it looks so good, you guys. I will highly recommend you this one. And this one was slightly shattered, I hope. No, I cannot show you. Like, so this is the shade. Yeah, so Amazon these days is sending everything shattered to me. I don't know why they are doing this to me. So this is the blush, a really pretty nude peach, and the pigmentation of these one are the blush pigmentation, not the eyeshadow pigmentation. Blushes are supposed to be, like really less pigmented, so you can build them up, so though you don't end up with clown cheeks. Now I have their bronzer. This is their bronzer, completely smashed. So they will send me a new one. See, Why? I don't know why this is happening to me, or this is happening to you as well. Comment down below. Okay, so this is the my first Cuffs and Lashes purchase. So this is their ethereal palette. No, I have purchased their setting spray also. So this is by the sister brand 20 something, but baat to wahi hai. So yeah, so this is a giant palette now, and I'm not a huge giant palette fan, but since this is cardboard, it is so lightweight. It is like paper, so that's why I was like, and I wanted a really pastel and bright palette, and that was, but what I received is this one. This is okay, like here are some pops of blue, purple and some corals, but यार ये रो क्यों बनाया, so useless and so many redundant shades. I am not the happiest person when this comes to this one. So basically I love this section and this section, but maybe these coral pops, but completely these should be not here. I don't like them. So the pigmentation, I have done a short videos, do check them out. And these are crazy. Nidhi is known for her shadows, so I will recommend you to support her, because we should support women owned brands. Like, look at this. Like, Nidhi Katiyar is known for her eyeshadows in general, and these are like the best eyeshadows in terms. And now after seeing that pop of green, I really want that. Why I received this one. So these are the coral. I cannot swatch in this video, otherwise this video will be a million times long. So this is the close-up. Do check out my short video on this. So this is the lipstick that I'm wearing. This is by Matte Look, and this is a nude shade. These are really inexpensive, and look at it. It has this silver packaging. Usually the 100 rupees lipsticks are not the most pretty packaging one, but this is. So the formula of these one is matte. So if you like matte lipsticks, see the pigmentation, and for the color, it is a warm nude. I love it. Slightly you can see a mustard undertone to it. It is a pretty brown nude, and I think this can be a dupe of Nika Jane, which I love. The formula wise also, and the color is looking quite similar, and that is a very unique shade, so I might be able to dupe it, because I think they are slightly expensive. So the next one is this LA 18, these color pops one, and this is just like 70 rupees I think, and the shade I have is Rockstar Red, and this is such a pretty red. This is a red with a little bit of pink in it. So yeah, just looking more pink. Yeah, this is the true shade, really pretty pinky red, and I love this. These are the wearable reds that I can pull off. I don't like orange reds and chatak reds. These are really pretty reds. So this is like the Me Now concealer. I am trying to remember, do I have anything from this brand earlier? Nidhi Katiyar really was using these and liking these. Basically, I wanted a highlighting concealer. All my concealers are exact skin tone, and when you do contouring and such things, you need something highlighting, and this was also 100 rupees I guess. And look at this. This is a perfect highlighting concealer for me, and when even I will so this is a perfect highlighting concealer. Thank God it is a highlighting concealer, and I was so confused when I was purchasing it. And yeah, it is a, I will try this in some video where I will try the contour. Basically I want this for glam looks, so yeah. Okay, so moving on to this cutesy product. Look at it. It is NY Bay. So this is the primer NYB. I don't like this sticker. Yeah, much better. I don't need this barcode. So look at it. This is so cute. It is a tiny concealer. It is a tiny primer, and this is so small and so cute. So this is 15 ml, and if you have a lot of makeup, go for the mini. So this is, I think they have this on mini only, or they have full size, I don't know. And I have to I have not even opened it. This is completely sealed, and let's just see the texture. Oh, I think I took out a lot. Oh my god, you guys, this is a silicone primer. I hope you can see. Look at the sheen. This is a silicone primer with a sheen. I have never seen such things. Like, I don't know whether this sheen will transfer. So this is basically a silicone primer with a sheen. I don't know what I will expect from this. I have to try this, and then I will let you, like, I will do first impressions. And this is maybe my third NYB purchase. And guys, NYB is like really becoming, my affordable favorites, one of my affordable favorites. So do check them out. Their kajal, so their kajal is so good, then their eyeshadow singles are so good. Now this is my third purchase, and I think I will love it because I have dry skin, but I still like to apply pore filling primer. So yeah, I think I will enjoy it, and thank god it is a mini. So yeah. Okay, so this is the lip liner. This is my new one by Hilary Rhoda. I love their lip liners. If you guys don't know me, so I have here to swatch it, and this is a beautiful red. And since I'm getting into red, this is the swatch, a beautiful red. So since I'm getting into red, so I thought maybe I should try a red lip liner. And if you guys have seen Jade Rose, that has a red tinge to it, so I want to try mix my brown with reds to kind of give me that look. So yeah, I will definitely try this in some of my video. Okay, I think I'm too late to the party, but this was such a, everything everybody was using this. This is the Music Flower Gel Liner, and I've never used a gel liner, so I thought maybe I should try an inexpensive one. And first of all, look at the packaging. This legit looks like, some kind of luxury packaging. It looks like some luxury packaging. And look at the shade. It is a royal blue. So we have a royal blue and a black, and two these small brush, which I have used this blue one, but I was not able to get a crisp look. I will learn how to use them because these are gel. So I heard gel liners are really easy to use, but I was struggling so much when I was using them to get a crisp thin line with it. So I will learn it, and then I will use them on camera. And on camera I cannot apply a liner, I don't know why. So this one was like 200, and you are getting two gel liners, which is such an amazing deal, I guess. And I think on online it is like more cheap, but I got it, I think, from my local store. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this haul video I played on Holi. So yeah, I hope you like this video. And Amazon is running like almost 50% off, and I was so intrigued. So if you wanted to buy some makeup item, this is the best time, because makeup items are, I don't know why, the margin is like so much. They will always be 50% off on during sales. So this is the right time to shop. I will not recommend you to buy makeup without a sale, because the prices are so much when there is no offer going on. So I think the Freedom Festival sale is the best time to pick this up from Amazon, and I will recommend Amazon because they have the best return policy. This is not sponsored, like nobody is sponsoring me, and I have just like 180 subscribers. Nobody is sponsoring me, but I have received all the broken products, but still they refunded me. So I think this is the best time to shop if you want to shop, and this is safe way to shop. So I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video. Do share my videos with your friends and families. And I hope you like the vibe. You will subscribe. Really, please subscribe. That will not cost you anything, but that means a lot to me. So please, please, please subscribe to this channel. So I shall see you in my next one. Bye.